What's up YouTube? Welcome to the Hawk Crypto and Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about how to make your own crypto token on KRC20 with KASPA. Now, I had a really good time doing this. It only took minutes. And honestly, it's so cheap to do. You can mint your own crypto for only 1,000 KASPA. And right now that's right around $170. So let's get into the video. Super excited to show you guys how this works. Real quick, before we start the video, I created this token just for fun as a meme and to support the crypto mining community. It was not intended for me to make any money or any financial gain off of this token. It was purely just for fun. Please understand that nothing in this video will be financial advice, and I am not here to promote my own project, although I will be using it as an example. Do your own research before you guys make any investments into cryptocurrency. All right, let's get to it. So being involved in crypto now for about 2 years, I've always wondered, how could I create my own token or cryptocurrency if I ever wanted to do that? And honestly, I was always intimidated because this has to be like a hard thing to do. You have to hire coders and you have to get the right people and develop a team. When I realized that you can create a token on KRC20 in literally 7 minutes after installing the wallet on a browser, I was like, dude, no way. Like, I was almost suspicious of it. I'm like, what's the catch here? Honestly, there's no catch. It's so easy, a caveman can do it.
What's that supposed to mean?
All right, let's get into it and let me show you guys how I did it. All right, guys, welcome to the KASPA Wallet Google Chrome extension. So this wallet is actually really cool. It kind of immerses everything that you want to do with your tokens, from minting or creating one, right? So as you guys can see here, these are the tokens that I have minted. You can see the Hawk token is right here. We'll go ahead and hit token info, and it's got all my information. I did get this Google Doc from the developers from KASPA that you have to submit. You can get it on the Telegram. I'll cover that in a little bit. So going back now, if you want to mint, it's very easy. You hit this over here. You go to KRC20, mint and deploy. So I'm going to show you guys what it's like to mint a token. So let's just go and use HODL, right? This is the one Chump Change did create. I want to mint 6 HODL tokens. I'm going to hit next. Oh no, 100% of the HODL has been minted. Can't do it. You can't over mint someone's project. It's once it's minted, that's it. So we're going to go to one that I know is not 100% minted, and that is RPM Bathwater, or RPM-BW, created by the Mining King as a joke. So I'm going to mint 6 RPM Bathwater and hit next. You're going to see this screen pop up. No, I don't want to install Windows 11. You're going to hit sign and pay, and that's it. Now, it moves pretty quickly when you do short amounts. Look how fast this goes. Now, I did do like 100 or 200, I think, the other night. It only took about 5 minutes. You don't want to close this window though. Like, you don't want to go up and start switching windows up here. It does mess it up for whatever reason. I don't know, but it does. It has now been completed. You can hit mint again or hit done. I'm going to hit done. And now I minted about 4,000 or 5,000 more RPM Bathwater. So interesting, right? Now the KASPA does leave your wallet. If you notice, this number did go down just a second ago and then came back up because it takes the KASPA, sends it there, spends what you use to mint it, and then sends it back to the wallet. So fast, right? But let's say you want to create your own token. So you click here, you go to KRC20 mint and deploy, and then you go to deploy KRC20 token. Now, you can't mint the same ticker as somebody else. You have to choose something unique to your own project. So obviously I chose Hawk, 20 million max supply, amount per mint. Now this is interesting. I did 10,000 per mint. I didn't know what I was doing, and I was like, screw it, let me just put 10,000. But you can put 1,000, you could put 1 if you really want. Now, there are some cool things that you can do when you change the amount per mint. If you want to do giveaways or incentivize subscribers or whatever you want to do for your channel or giveaways and stuff, then I would make this number a little bit lower. The next one is pre-allocation amount. I hit 0. I didn't want to give myself any for free because I don't want anybody saying, oh, Hawk did this so he can get free tokens. Now he's trying to push it and then rug everybody. I wouldn't do that. I don't even know if it's possible to rug anyone with this anyway, because you really don't control it outside of this. Once it's created, you can't go in there and change anything. So anyway, then you would just hit next, follow the rules, and that's it. You must have 1,000 KASPA to do this. So currently it's saying need at least 1,004 KASPA to deploy a KRC20 token. So you would hit next, and then there you go. Now, a site that I found early on was this, catscan with a K .xyz/tokens. Now you can go see every single token that has been minted on KRC20. This is actually really cool. So we'll go ahead and put Hawk here, and you can see that it was a fair mint, and you can see all the information, and it's been 100% minted. Now you can go to like RPM bathwater that we just minted, and you can see that it's not fully minted. It's only 3% minted. It has 100 million max supply. The Mining King, when he created this, did not do any pre-allocation. It was a completely fair mint. It was just meant to be a joke and to test it out to see what happened, and it was actually pretty funny. If you guys follow Red Panda Mining, you know what the RPM bathwater thing is. But moving forward, this is so simple to do. And I went to cas.fyi, and I just wanted to see what my floor price was. What's it trading for? We'll hit refresh here just to see if it changed. It did not. So right now my market cap for my token is $40,000. I only own 510,000 out of 20 million, which is not worth a lot. But you can see here, 10,000 Hawk is worth about 20 bucks, and that's what this guy traded it for. Now, if you want to trade any of these things, currently there are no exchanges. There's no dexes or centralized exchanges at the moment. You have to do it through a bot on Telegram. So let me show you guys exactly what that looks like. Real quick, I did forget, if you do want to deploy a token and you want to get this information here filled out, then what you need to do is you need to submit a Google Doc, and I'll put the link in the description below. That Google Doc gets submitted to the devs of Casware, and then what they do is they just add it to the information on the token on the chain, and that's it. And that's what it'll look like, just something like this here. So if you look at some of the other projects, they all have this information filled out. Link is in the description below to do that if you're interested. Okay, so this is the Casper bot. So this is how you're gonna go and buy tokens that have been fully minted, or if you want to offload tokens that you minted. So you would get in the bot. Now what you have to do is you have to set up a wallet inside this bot. It's got really clear instructions on how to do that. Obviously I'm just doing this for a test, so I don't care about these keys or this address or anything like that. I have nothing in here. Now what you have to do is, once you create the wallet inside the bot, you have to send the KASPA from your Casware to the bot, and then you do the trading. So if you want to offload tokens that you minted, or you want to buy some that have been fully minted, you can hit /marketplace, hit enter. Now it's going to bring up the marketplace. You can pull up a custom ticker. Now we're just going to use Hawk, right? This is just the example. And right now somebody is selling 10,000 Hawk for 120 KASPA. You get the idea, right? It's very simple. Now, if you wanted to sell that, you have to list it. You can't sell it immediately like an exchange right now. But I know that there are some decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges coming online very soon, where it'll make it easy to offload and onload new tokens. So yeah, it's that easy. Okay, so one of the questions I did get today was, Hawk, how are you treating these assets with your taxes? And honestly, it's a very simple answer. I am treating them like every single other cryptocurrency I've ever mined, bought, sold, or traded. Now, I will tell you guys that make sure you write down what their values are if you sell them. When you're minting, write that stuff down, keep track of it, because it's very important by the end of the year. Well, guys, what do you think about KRC20, the Casware wallet, and honestly, everything going on in the KASPA ecosystem right now? I think it's super exciting. It's definitely supporting the crypto miners with those rewards because of the fees. A lot of fees with minting right now, and it's insane. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Hawk out.